In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix the issue Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration on Windows, so let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we just need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. To open the command prompt window with administrative rights, we have to go on the right pane and click on Run as Administrator. Now here, we just need to run some commands. Do not worry, the commands will be posted in the description section of this video. First command is netsh space winsock space reset. It's netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command, netsh space winsock space reset space catalog and hit enter. Next command, netsh space int space ip space resetlog.txt. Hit enter. And for the final command, we need to flush the DNS, so type ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit enter and type exit. Hit enter. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then for the next method, just click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to click on Network and Internet. Then we have to scroll down and look for Advanced Network Settings. Then under More Settings, you can find Network Reset. Click on that. So this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to the original settings. So you just need to click on the Reset Now button. And then you have to click on yes, and this will restart your Windows, and then you will be reconnected again into your connection. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.